This is GNOME 46, the only upcoming update to GNOME desktops that is going to be released on March 20. Currently, GNOME 46 is in beta and available for testing. This new release mainly focuses on feature improvements, performance enhancements, and updates to the core framework. Now let's go ahead and discuss the all new features of GNOME 46. The core components of the GNOME desktop, such as the GNOME Shell and the Mutter compositor, have received several enhancements. These improvements notably enhance the Wayland experience and more. Most of the changes in the GNOME Shell version 46 are under-the-hood updates, including bug fixes and performance improvements. Thanks to all new notifications that look significantly better and display additional information about the application. You get to see the application name, the icon, and the time of the notification, making the notification style more natural when compared to the older version. GNOME 46 introduces brand new wallpapers. The default one appears more modern and refreshing, and these are the additional built-in system wallpapers. GNOME 46 improves the performance of the built-in file manager application known as Nautilus. The search functionality is now much better than before. Clicking on the search icon from the sidebar allows you to search the entire file system based on the given input. You can customize this behavior by adjusting the search settings and filters. Additionally, you can now easily switch between the list or grid view without the need to reload the entire directory and feel fast when you are dealing with large directories having thousands of files and folders. Now, when you select multiple files or folders and choose to view the properties dialog, it feels much faster and takes less time to calculate the data. The Preferences panel also receives new options. For example, the date and time format is updated to provide detailed information about a file or folder, showing the date, time, size, and more. GNOME 46 also brings new updates to the sound output devices. Using system controls, you can seamlessly switch between audio output devices with one click. If you notice, it shows my headphones, speakers, and Bluetooth buds. At any time, I can choose an output device for the audio while playing music or video. This feature could be extremely useful when your computer is connected to multiple audio output devices. The GNOME Display Manager has also received some improvements in GNOME 46. GDM now supports headless login sessions via remote desktop, meaning that remote users can connect and start a desktop session even if the host computer has no screen. Now, this includes support for NVIDIA GPUs. Since GNOME 44, GNOME developers have been working hard to improve the settings application, making it more organized. With GNOME 46, there's a new system option that groups other settings like the About page, date and time, users, region and language, and more. Now, this way, you will find fewer setting items in the sidebar. The privacy setting is now called Privacy and Security, which includes screen lock, location, and camera settings. Additionally, the application section looks much better than before, allowing you to easily view the information and change the permissions of installed applications. And lastly, the online accounts feature brings a new UI for all these configurations and modernizes the look to make it simpler. So when connecting to cloud services, you get to see this simple user interface. And these are the other improvements and several changes that will result in the best GNOME 46 experience. And that's pretty much it. These are the top new features of GNOME 46, which is set to be released next month. If you cannot wait that long, you can try installing GNOME Nightly's, Fedora 40 or Ubuntu 24.04 LTS on bare metal. Let me know what you think about it in the comments section down below. Thanks for watching. This has been KSK Ryle. I will see you in the next one.